Today we'll be talking about the written code of ethics and what it is and how the organization handles it. Since I'm currently not employed, I'll be looking at DBU's academic conduct policy. So some of the key points to the academic conduct would be that DBU wants us to have Christian ethical standards. We're expected to uphold biblical principles, personal and academic integrity. We also have an honor code and honor pledge, which basically means that we're going to commit to those standards and also commit to not uh, lying, stealing, or cheating um, in any academic dishonesty, really. And then it also breaks down what the faculty is required to do or expected to do. And this is they have the right to monitor students, enforce policies, and take disciplinary actions for misconduct. So if the students technically break any of these things, the teachers or professors are allowed to step in and correct that. And there's also breaks down some form of academic misconduct, whether that be cheating, plagiarism, resubmitting of work, collusion, abuse of resources, computer misuse, and classroom misconduct. And basically, this breaks down what we're expected not to do, what cheating and plagiarism and the rest of them mean, and um, how we should really uphold really high standards for ourselves and for our peers. Two areas that not necessarily aren't mentioned in there would be the disciplinary actions and appeals. So, like, it doesn't tell what the will be or the violation for doing any of these misconduct, at least on this form. And then another thing would be the ethical use of AI. It didn't talk about that, and I know that many students like to use AI, and it can be used in a helpful way to help study and help learn material, but I also think there's an inappropriate way to be using AI and when in learning that robs you of knowledge and what you came here for school. Um, so, how well is it followed in your company or the school? For this example, I'd say for the most part, it's followed pretty well. The only area I'd probably pick on would be the classroom misconduct. Um, it mentions in there texting or surfing the web or having earbuds in. I feel like there's a population of individuals that like to um, misuse their classroom time and uh, potentially distract from other learning experience. So I think that'd probably be one area that's probably not followed to the greatest extent and could be improved upon. But overall, those are the code of ethics for DBU and their academic policies.